Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop the bees from following you in Garden game app Roblox Bizzy Bee event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. As we know that in this update, we will have a bee colony that always follow us anywhere we go. And in the latest update guys, there's a feature to turn off the bee following. You can go to your bee tree right here and you will see an option to turn off the bee following. Okay, let me go to my bee tree. Okay, you will see this option guys, and then just tap and hold on the bee following and then it will be turned off. And when you turn off the bee following, the bee will stay right here in the bee tree. So you can go anywhere without the bees following you. Sometimes it makes the game become laggy. So yeah, now you can turn it off guys to stop them from following you. Okay guys, and that's how you can turn off the bee following in Garden game app Roblox Bizzy Bee event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.